Basic musicianship, lesson 14, repeat signs and first and second endings. So in my score, I have this melodic idea, but I want to repeat it. And is there any way to do a shortcut or something instead of having to write it all out again?
Yes, we have a solution for that. So here I have a little example of a musical excerpt. And so we're in 2/4 time, we've got our 2 beats in each measure, and we want to repeat this whole thing, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So what we can do is input or insert a repeat sign.
Mm.
So what we'll need in the beginning here,
I don't think you need
actually
it.
we don't need it in the beginning,
Okay.
but let's say we want these 2 measures to be repeated.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do that. So I want to make sure that I put a double bar, and I'm going to put these 2 dots in spaces 2 and 3.
Okay. I like that.
So what that's going to tell us is when we get to measure 2, we'll play measure 2, play measure 3, then we're going to go back to measure 2 and play measure 3 again.
And then we go on.
And then we can go on if the music continues.
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's say that I wanted to repeat back to measure 1. What would that look like?
If we wanted to repeat back from measure 1, we would get rid of this repeat sign here. And so if we start at the beginning, play measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, we see this repeat sign. This automatically tells us we're going to go back to the beginning, play measure 1, 2, 3, and then we'll continue on after that.
Okay. Now I have this other thing.
Okay.
So the first time I play through my melodic idea, I have this kind of ending type thing that I like. But then the second time, I have a different ending.
Okay.
Is there a way to show that without writing the whole thing out?
Yes. Okay. So let's change this a little bit to kind of fit that scenario. So, let's see here. Put a half note there, and then put our final bar line there. So, what we can do is put a first ending and a second ending.
Okay.
All right. So we still have our repeat sign here.
Yeah.
So what I can do is put a little bracket here to show that this is the first ending.
Okay.
And then I will put another bracket here. Actually, I'll just make that bracket go here. And that's the second ending. So to navigate through this music, so I'm going to start at measure 1, play measure 2, measure 3. Because of this repeat sign, you following me? We're back to measure 1 again. Now, we finished measure 1, we're going to skip measure 2 and 3 and jump over to measure 4 and play to the end.
Right. Because this is just being inserted here, right?
Yeah. These 2 measures take the place of these 2 measures.
Right.
And so we have a second ending. It's different than the first ending.
Okay. That's lesson 14.